Honnies, how are you? Tanya Shylock here, and of course, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's popping, what's well, and of course, all that particular kind of good stuff. And of course, today I'm having for you a day in my life / what I do or what I accomplish in a day. It has been so thrilled the last few 2 months. Quarantine ever started in my country. Of course, it has not yet ended. We are still alert, still kicking, but literally today I want to just give you a vlog, what do I accomplish, what do I do, and of course all that particular kind of stuff. So right now I was trying to put on my computer over here because I want to look at the schedule of which videos have to be going up today. Today my hair looks so nice. I'm proud of myself. I'm not a very consistent kind of hair comber, but when I do try to accomplish a task, babe, I do accomplish it. So yeah, so right now I'm going to be checking into my camera. I'm just from outside. I've refreshed up, and but still, of course, I'm still in the robe, but I've just refreshed up. I want to go do my chores, and yeah, so right now I'm going to be checking onto the videos, which videos are supposed to be going up today, and yeah. So literally that is done. Right now I'm going to be making my bed. Yesterday I did change my sheets. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's sanitary to always change your sheets at least after 2 to 3 days. And I always want to do it on my second day or third day of putting on my bed sheet. So right now I'm going to be making my bed over here. I've just of course selected out the videos that are supposed to be going up today. Okay, not selecting. I've not selected them because they're already selected. I know which videos are supposed to be going up because I put them into different folders, into different days. But I always want to look at the history of them. If I need to write down descriptions, and of course look out for the tags, and of course all that, I do it of course on time, so that by the time I reach to be uploading the video, I don't waste a lot of time. So right now I'm going to be making my bed over here. This is done, hopefully. So literally, you guys, I'm finally done. I just felt like my face was a little bit dry. Yes, dry. So right now I'm going to be going in with my Wakali products. Just treat my skin a little bit. So focus. So literally, hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It has been freaking long since I last came back to vlog. I know it's something like 3 to 4, I think 3 weeks since I last came back, since the last clips you saw, but finally I'm back. I'm just from shooting a video about dyeing my hair right now. I'm just waiting it to dry so that I can go back inside, do the finishing touches. But over there, say again, hi baby. Hi honey. It's the cutest thing I know ever. Guys, recently I'm cooking, of course, as you have been seeing the clips, and of course I'm using an outdoor stove over a choto. We call it a choto. So it has been quarantine, and of course we have been trying to save as much as we can. So I'm cooking right now Irish potatoes over there, but they turned out very nice. You guys, they turned out very, very nice, like very, very amazingly beautiful. I never expected this. Oh my god, it is. Look at this, you guys. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but it just looks so amazing. Like this mind is all of Fumba went for God's sake. Guys, it literally finally comes to the conclusion of the video. I forgot to switch out of the video, but thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment something in the comment section below, let me know what you thought of the video, and of course all that. And of course I did also shave off my hair. It will be a story for another time. Thank you for watching. Bye.